some more fall garden advice for you guys. I have about 70 days until my first frost of the season. I'm located in Zone 6A, Northeast Ohio. My last frost date is October 13th. Where you live, your frost date may be different. And I'm gonna show you the seeds that I'm planting right now. All of these varieties are either frost hardy or they will be fully mature within the next 70 days. Leeks, lettuce, choy, more lettuce, and a sprouting broccoli. Seed packets have most of the information you need to know if this variety of plant is going to grow within the amount of time you have left in your frost-free growing season. And they should indicate on the back whether it's frost hardy or not. Frost hardy plants can last longer through the cold months. Get those fall gardens planted, it's not too late. Make sure to follow along for more home garden tips.